Don't download Frase, Enterprise Marketing Hub app before watching this. If you think Frase is just another content generator, or missing the real advantage. The platform is designed for teams that want to research, write, optimize, and organize content at scale, and most people get this wrong. The surprising truth is that Phrase's research engine is one of the fastest on the market. Type in a keyword, and within seconds it builds a complete outline based on the top ranking pages. It extracts headers, key talking points, statistics, and common questions people ask. This saves hours of manual research. Next comes the content generation layer. Unlike tools that create random generic text, Frase builds content aligned with its research insights. But here's the catch. You still need human oversight. It gives you a solid base, but your tone, accuracy, and structure turn it into publish-ready content. The enterprise version becomes even more powerful with team collaboration. You can assign briefs, track writing progress, and maintain a consistent voice across large content teams. For organizations publishing dozens of articles a month, this keeps everything aligned. You won't believe how useful the content gap feature is. It shows what topics competitors cover that you're missing. One company found they overlooked a whole section about pricing strategy simply because it wasn't part of their internal brief. Fixing this boosted rankings for several pages. Most people overlook Phrase's analytics. It doesn't just help you create content, it tells you when older content has started slipping in rankings. If you want a system that catches decay before traffic drops, this feature is essential. Before downloading Frase, ask yourself, does your team need speed, structure, and research accuracy? Or do you need simple one-off text generation? If your goal is consistent growth and well-researched content, Frase is a strong choice. If this breakdown helped, subscribe before you download your next marketing tool.